He's some kind of king?
No. That's a legend.
Hi, I'm Technoblade's dad. He wrote a message and he asked me to read it to all of you. Hello everyone, Technoblade here. If you're watching this, I am dead. So let's sit down and have one final chat. If I had another 100 lives, I think I would choose to be Technoblade again every single time. He finished that up and then he was done. He lived about another 8 hours after that.